First of all, identify what type of category you're doing. And then prepare the documents, your passport card, um, criminal record from the country of origin, and then your address. Then kapag ka-process nila yan, you need to pay for 1,000 crowns para dun sa trade license mo. So when it comes to the expiration, walang expiration ang trade license if you are a permanent resident. Pero kung employee card holder ka, it will be based on your resident card dito. So kung 2 years yan, 2 years lang din yung trade license mo. And then you can always renew it after mong ma-renew rin ang card. So kasabay siya lagi ng resident card. Now, kapag ka nakapagbayad ka na, you need to wait for up to 5 working days. And then, a-advisean ka rin nila na kailangan mong i-inform ang tax bureau or financial urad, ang health insurance or VZP or kung anong insurance na meron ka, and then the OSVETSE, which is the social security dito.